COVID case numbers continue to climb across the country. We're even seeing restrictions return in some areas as well. But what about here in Riverside County? Our Nico Payne spoke to the county's public health officer about what we can expect in the coming weeks.
It's in our unvaccinated individuals and communities that continue to be at risk for outbreaks or even continued mutation.
We have the tools to do this. This is an unnecessary predicament we're putting ourselves in.
Dr. Fauci speaking on Sunday morning talking about COVID case numbers. He says based on what we've seen in the past, we could be headed for another surge.
If you look historically at the modeling that has been done over the last 18 months, for the most part, it's been pretty accurate. So I'm not so sure it would be the worst case scenario, but it's not going to be good. We're going in the wrong direction.
Riverside County Public Health Officer Dr. Jeffrey Leung explaining that numbers locally are better than what we faced a year ago.
Compared to our lows, the case rates and COVID hospitalizations have quadrupled. So that is significant. However, we were expecting an increase with the reopening.
And as restrictions continue to be relaxed, health experts are keeping a close eye on the progressing variants.
The Delta variant now makes up over 80% of all the variants that we are having tested or sequenced. It looks like when people are fully vaccinated, they do have very good protection against variants, including the Delta variant, especially when it comes to serious complication or death.
With the state no longer following a color tier system, county officials say they will continue to align with state guidelines in hopes of preventing less confusion.
The state moved into a new paradigm called Beyond the Blueprint. So that's where we are now, and that's why we're not using different thresholds for different colors. However, that being said, the state and our county are watching very closely any potential impacts on hospital capacity, emergency room capacity, or other numbers that may be really important for the functioning of our community.
Nico Payne, NBC Palm Springs.